In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log calls and meetings automatically in Attio. By the end, your workspace will capture key interactions from your email and calendar without any extra manual data entry. Start by opening Attio and heading to your home view. Make sure you're in the correct workspace for your team. If you use multiple workspaces, confirm you're in the one where you want activity to sync. You'll also want the right permissions to adjust settings. If you don't see the options I'm about to mention, check with your workspace admin. From home, open your account settings. Depending on your layout, this is usually found from your avatar or a gear icon. This is where you manage your personal integrations and how Attio connects to your communication tools. Inside settings, look for email and calendar accounts. This section controls which inboxes and calendars Attio can read and, where appropriate, write to. It's the hub for everything related to syncing messages, events, and availability. Next, choose Connect Microsoft Account. If your team uses Google instead of Microsoft, the process is the same. Just pick the Google option when you see it. Connecting the account that holds your work email and primary calendar is important, so Attio can capture the right calls and meetings across your contacts. A secure sign-in window will open. Select your work account, or log in if prompted, and then review the permissions. You'll typically see requests to read mail, access your calendar, and send on your behalf for specific workflows. These are required so Attio can detect meetings, participants, and related activity. Approve the prompts to continue. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, complete that step as well. For anyone with multiple profiles, double-check you're authorizing the correct mailbox and calendar before proceeding. Once the connection is successful, Attio begins syncing. From here on, calls and meetings will be logged automatically. You'll see past and upcoming meetings appear on the timelines of the relevant people and companies, with subjects, dates, attendees, and links to the original calendar event or emails. If you schedule a new meeting from your connected calendar, Attio will pick it up on the next sync. For best results, use clear meeting titles and invite the correct attendees so Attio can match participants to your records accurately. If you ever need to adjust visibility or privacy, you can refine sharing preferences in your workspace settings later. That's all you need to do. Connect your account once, and Attio takes care of the logging for you in the background. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.